आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 10 September 2020. The headlines are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi to digital launch the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana today. Indian Air Force of the formally induct the Rafale fighter jet in the Ambala this morning. Supreme Court stayed the reservation for the Marathas in the government job and the education institution in the Maharashtra. EPFO decided to pay 8.5% interest during the 2019 and 20. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to attend SCO Foreign Minister meeting to the Moscow today. Japan called the increase the cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region on counter the Chinese expansion. In tennis, the Serena Williams enters the semi-final of the US Open for 11 consecutive times. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the digital launch the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Today, Mr. Modi will be also inaugurate the eGopala app and the comprehensive breed the improvement and the marketplace and the information portal about the direct use of farmer. The Prime Minister will be also launch the several other initiatives in the fisheries and animal husbandry sector in Bihar. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said the PMMSY will be the transfer the fisheries sector and add the strength to the effort of the building and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Indian Air Force will be the formally inducted by the Rafale aircraft this morning at the Air Force Station Ambala. The Defence Minister said the aircraft will be also the part of 17 Squadron and the Golden Arrows of the first 5 Indian Air Force. Rafale aircraft arrived at the Indian Force Station Ambala to France on the 27th of July this year. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and the Ministry Armed Forces for the France, Florence Parly, will be also the chief guest in the event. The Supreme Court has stayed the reservation of the Maharashtra Committee in Government Job and Education Institution in Maharashtra. A three-judge bench headed for the Justice L. Nageshwara Rao referred to the case of the larger bench to consider the constitutional validity of the 2018 Maharashtra government, the law providing the reservation of the Marathas in the state. Maharashtra State Reservation for the socially and the educationally background the Classes Act originally provided the 60% reservation for the Maharashtra Committee in the education institution and the government job. Appeal will be also failed before the Supreme Court start for the reservation would be lead to the branch of the 50% cap lead owned by the Apex Court in its 1992 judgment of Indra and the Swarni Veresu Union of India. The Labour and Employment Minister Santosh Kumar Gangwar yesterday chaired for the 2027th meeting of the Central Board of the Trustee of the Employees Provident Fund. In the exceptional the circumstances arises for the COVID-19, Central Board has recommended for the state interest rate the 8.550% in the central government. It will be the comprise for the 8.15% for the debit income and balance 0.35% capital gain from the scale of the exchange trade funds, ETFs, subjects and their redemptions by the 31st December in this year. The External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar will be attend the meeting of the Council of the Foreign Minister of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO in the Moscow today. The Council of the Foreign Minister meeting in the Moscow will be review for the preparation for the forthcoming SCO committee and also exchange view on the international religion issue. Japanese Defense Minister Taro Kono has the call the increase the cooperation in the India Pacific and the counter Chinese expansion speak at the webinar and held for the Washington based Center and the Strategy for International Study in the Tokyo. Kono for the pitch for the larger religion mechanism for the global mechanism to the counter China. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had the telephonic conversation with the Saudi King, the Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saudi, for the yesterday. Two leaders for the action the view on the global challenges in the context for the COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Modi expressed his appreciation for the leadership provided by the Saudi Arab during the ongoing president on the G20 grouping, and the leaders agreed that the initiative taken the level of the G20 had the help promoting the coordinated for the response to the pandemic. They also discussed the main priorities for this presently agenda of the G20. Ministry of the State External Affairs V. Muralidharan attained the 10th East Asia Summit. Foreign Ministries meet yesterday. The meeting was held virtually. It was attended by the Foreign Minister of the East India Summit, the participant the countries, and the chair by the Deputy Prime Minister and the Foreign Minister in the Vietnam. The meeting discussed way for the mean to the strength for the leaders lead the EA as the platform and to make the more response for the emerging challenges on this 15th anniversary. India has scaled a new high for the nearly 75,000 recoveries of the COVID-19 single day. The number of the people recovered from the coronavirus has surged the record 74,894 last 24 hours. With this, the nearly 34 lakhs people were the country have been recovered from the viral the pandemic, and the overall the recovery rate has also the maintained. It is upward the trend for also new the reaches the 77.77. Constant increase in recoveries have the ensured that the actual cash load of the country to reduce the currently comprise only the 20.53% of the total positive cases. The health minister also informed that the sustained high recovery rate in the full by the state and the union territory reported recovery rate of over 80%. You were listening to the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 10 September 2020. We can see telecast for the 11 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then,
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं